Hi, it's Caroline. I have just made myself a tear ruler. Well, I'm making a tear ruler. It's not complete yet. It's drying. I ran across a channel called Colleen Seymour Crafts, and she has used a box of baking paper that she took away the serrated edge and attached it to her ruler. And right now anyway, I don't think, I looked at all my boxes of foil and different wraps that I have, and none of them have a removable serrated edge. They're all kind of just built or glued on, very flimsy, more like a heavy-duty foil. So that wasn't going to work. But when I was coming up to my craft room, I remembered that I use it's an actual older hacksaw blade that I have used, and it was getting dull as a hacksaw, so it was just hanging around in my sort of corner of the of our garage, our workshop area, and I have been using this as a tearing edge for a long time, but on its own. Then I remembered that I also have our daughter's school ruler that is still in my supplies. And when I watched Colleen Seymour Crafts, the light bulb went off, and I thought, well, why don't I just glue this old hacksaw blade onto the ruler? And then, so that's what I did. And I'm using all recycled and upcycled things, because I'm still using this particular glass and metal glue. It's just at the very end of it, but there's still some in there. So, of course, this is metal that I'm gluing to wood. It should work. And then I just used all my different, clamps, clips to just to hold it there while it dries. So we'll have to see how this works. I'm hoping that it'll stick. And if not, nothing lost, nothing gained, nothing lost. I still have all of these items. I'm pretty hopeful, though. I think it'll work. Stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye. Probably should wait a lot longer than an hour for this to dry, but I'm going to release the clamps because I really want to see how this works. And it's like, why didn't I think of this so much earlier? I used to use the blade just like that on its own, and now I've got a good grip on it. So I just need a piece of scrap paper. Take one of my latest eco guide. This was made with cabbage, paprika, matcha tea. Yeah. Anyway, that was that one. So, move you down a little bit just to see if that works. And I apologize for my cracking knees. Okay, let's see. It works great. It's a very fine tear. But I like it because it just gives it a little bit of fraying on the edge, which I like. Let's see. Do some more here. That kind of paper, so we know what that looks like. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's that one. I'll just do another type of paper. I have this kind of paper here. This is just from a book. So I'll do it on this edge here. I'll go. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to go like that. I love the sound. Here is the edge. I believe you can see that pretty good. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I mean, it gave me results before, like good results before I attached it to the ruler, but now it's just easier to manipulate. Great. I'm very pleased. So you dig out your old blades that don't work on your wood pieces or whatever construction things you're doing, or go and get one at I think you can get these at the dollar store too, I'm not sure. An old ruler and just make your own. You know, you could also use this part here and just dig into it and make grooves, big grooves. I might do that. We'll see. Okay. Really happy with the results. Now I'm going to say bye and stay cozy, everyone. Talk to you later.